like, go closer. Like, put your arm around the trunk.
Wow.
Go on. Go on the front side.
Wow.
What's the music and not that? Hey, buddy. That's why you let them go.
Oh, fuck off!